Welcome to the deep dive on Indian weddings. I'm going to answer every single question you've ever had about skincare, makeup, and everything else you can think of. But not your rishtedar ke sawal. That's something you have to handle on your own. Coming to skincare, trust me, you want to keep it simple and don't go for AHAs, peeling treatments, or any exfoliants one day before the event because your skin is going to get pissed off. So here is my very simple calming skincare routine that is perfect for any occasion. So I am someone with dry skin, so I definitely look for hydrating sort of cleansers. So I'm going for this Barrier Repair Hydrating Gentle Face Wash from Dot & Key. And I chose this because Barrier Repair is really good if you have redness on your skin, which I am prone to having. So this is my first step. If you're someone that loves these oil stripping and pura pore cleansing toners, I would say avoid it and go for a hydrating sort of gentle toner like this Aquel Sensitive Skin Special Balancing Toner, and this is really good for keeping your pores very hydrated, so I'm going for this one. So once you've applied your toner, it's time to go in with something hydrating like a moisturizer or lotion. I'm trying out this Round Lab lotion for the first time today, and I've generally been using the toner and it's really good. So I'm excited to see how this lotion turns out. The final step to any morning skincare routine or daytime skincare routine that you just can't miss is a sunscreen. And this is my favorite glowy, dewy Purito sunscreen. And this is a daytime event, so I'm definitely going to load up on sunscreen. So you just cannot have a traditional Indian wedding function without Uptan. So I'm going to use the Alps Goodness Uptan powder, which contains sandalwood and turmeric and many more amazing ingredients. Uptan is really great for exfoliating your skin, especially in areas like your elbows and knees that generally are not so closely monitored, but they do tend to get a bit darker on these areas. So I'm in my Desi fit and I'm ready to do my makeup. So let's go and start the process. So now my stroke cream is on and the next problem to tackle is the massive dark circles. So the darker concealer is on and I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and till then I'm going to apply a little bit of foundation only where I have these marks and not on the full face because this is an outdoor event and my face is bound to get a little bit sweaty. The foundation is on and now it's time to get back to brightening up the under eyes with a little bit of concealer. Not a single one of my festive makeup looks or any makeup look really is complete without cream blush. So here's my trick for a perfect long-lasting makeup look. Before you go in with your setting powder, actually go in with one big round of setting spray first. People whose under eyes crease very fast, listen to me. Use a dense brush with a loose powder like this one, tap off a little bit, and then go in applying upwards or sideways. What this will do is this is going to actually fill up those lines of creases that you see where your powder doesn't seem to reach and it gets a little oily. So this is going to solve that problem. Totally crease free. Now if you want to go one step forward and get like total and complete long-lasting power, go in with another spritz of setting spray. That was not one spritz. Now this is a very simple eyeshadow hat that literally anybody can do. So all I'm going to do is apply a little bit of brown right here near the lash line and blend it upwards to give a very subtle smoky effect. And it's just that easy. This volumizing mascara is really doing the job. So this is the bottom half, or I don't even know what the top bottom is, but this is the second mascara end. Just look at this wand. This makes it perfect for your bottom lashes. Indian wedding function means a lot of good food and I don't want my lipstick to come in the way of that. So I'm going for this very matte and long lasting lip crayon. Lipstick is on and it's gonna stay on. So here is the complete makeup look, and now only two things are pending: my jewelry and another round of setting spray. And they're ready. I think now you're well equipped to handle every sort of Indian wedding function. So go ahead, look your best, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.